In related news, Clark County District Court Judge Darvin Zimmerman remains under fire for comments captured on a hot mic in which he referred to Peterson Jr. as, quote, the black guy they were trying to make an angel out of, and saying he thought the 21-year-old was so dumb to run from officers over a potential drug charge. On Monday, Clark County Superior Court judges sent Zimmerman a letter saying they were revoking his authority to perform any Superior Court judicial officer functions, including the ability to preside over any cases. That letter was signed by the court's 11 judges and 4 commissioners. In addition to that, City of Vancouver Attorney Jonathan Young said he is prepared to file a motion for disqualification on prejudice should Zimmerman be asked to preside over any of the city's cases. Zimmerman issued a statement Tuesday through his attorney apologizing for his comments. The judge said he was taking some time away to step away and reflect on his situation.